Welcome to PaidToday, how to search for an order or filter by orders, date ranges. First thing you want to do, open up the orders on the left sidebar here, and you can see that we have a date range picture. And in here you can choose, maybe you want to see all the orders for this month. Go ahead and choose this month. Click apply. You can also search by a sales rep, any of your team members or all of them. And you can search by order status, paid, draft, pending, void. And then you can also search by who created the order as well. Maybe somebody else created it, but a different team member sells them. And then also you can search by a contact filter. So if we type in Merlin, you can see he's got these ones appear here. Or Art, he's only got one. And then again, you have the date range options. You can choose select ranges if you want. Just simply apply and then click the update report. Or you can also use these pre-made reports here.